Good day, folks. S197, that's 2005 to 2014 Ford Mustang. Interior map lights. Going to switch from the incandescent, very dull, dim. In fact, have left them on and not even known and drained the battery over days. Want to take care of that by switching those bulbs out to LED. I think the first thing to do is obviously check that the power's off on them, and run your hand up in the top portion here and try to get a hold of the plastic bezel and pull down on those clips. They might be a little stiff, don't be afraid to give it a tug, and then you'll expose the wire harness where you can simply click the harness here, pop the light out. It's on another push plug there. It's on a white push plug on the plastic. Very simple removal. Now from here you can see the two lights are inside the plastic. It's kind of tough to get to the underside clip, so I might use a small plastic pry tool. This side's a little tighter. You've got this contact here. You can see it from the side. Alright guys, you'll find these very difficult, these small little light sockets to pull out. The best thing to use is, well, either a kitchen butter knife or a very small plastic pry tool. Get it in the side, push and click out, at which time you'll free that out. Then you can get to your peanut bulb, which again, these are incandescent, they just pull out. I think they're a 194, could be wrong on that. However, that's the incandescent one. I'm going to switch it with an LED version. Okay, the LED light bulb, it is a 194. I looked on the bag, is in the socket. Now I'll just click it into the housing. It should just be a push and a click. You'll hear it snap. I'll turn it over. It. Plug our connector back in here, because you do have an airbag light here. If you do not have this connected, obviously you won't have your lights, but you'll also get a SRS code on your dash, which will shut your airbags off. So this connector here is important for that. As you can see, we're going to test the LEDs before we snap everything back in place, and yes, they work, and they are significantly brighter. Quite impressed with that. Again, a 194 bulb. I think I picked up a 10-pack off of Amazon for about $10. So about $1 a light bulb. So this is a $2 modification. Snap the connector back into its perch. And our two connector tabs here simply snap back in place. There's a quick little push, and we'll do a test on these. Much brighter. We'll do a quick light test at nighttime as well. But the color itself versus before was like a nicotine amber. Now it's a bright white. Again, $1 each light bulb, so quite a nice touch in terms of an upgrade for $1.